You know what? I'm really tired of making those sharp, pointy, professional, commercial logos. So today we're gonna create a fun and playful logo. This is an imaginary logo. As far as I know, there is no business that hunts aliens. At least not in our planet. Since this is not for my client, that means I don't need to follow any graphic designing principles. We're so gonna every designing rule. Okay, so here we're in Adobe Illustrator. First we will create the UFO. Select the ellipse tool and draw a shape like this. Select any color for now. For the upper part, I will copy this. Hold Alt+Option and click and drag to make a copy. If you think the color is confusing, you can switch between fill and stroke by pressing Shift and X. If you wanna know more about the ellipse tool, you can watch this video. I explain everything about the ellipse tool in this video. Okay, now copy the lower circle by pressing Ctrl or Command and C and then press Ctrl or Command and F to paste in front. Then move the lower circle upward. Hold Shift and press the up arrow key. It will move it upward by 10 units. Now select these two shapes and then select the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt+Option and remove this area. Nice, we have the upper portion. Now I will follow the same process to make the lower parts. First copy it. Like before, hold Alt+Option and drag to make a copy. Now copy the middle part. If you don't remember the keyboard shortcuts, then you can go to Edit, Copy, and then again go to Edit, Paste in Front or Paste in Place. Now hold Shift and this time press the down arrow key. With the Shape Builder tool, remove this area. We need to do the same one more time for the lower part. Copy the middle part, make it smaller. Copy and drag the second last part and then remove the unnecessary areas with the Shape Builder tool. So we have the UFO structure. Even if they are aliens, they should have some windows. I mean, if airplanes have windows, why can't they have it? For that I will again use the ellipse tool. I will just draw a circle here and then again draw another circle top of one another. I want 5 windows, so I will just copy the rest. I need to align it. Go to Align and click Horizontal Distribution as Space. Okay, let's place them properly. I can use the middle part as a guide. Press Ctrl or Command and Y for outline mode so that we can see the lines clearly. Now just place them on the line. Make sure the smart guides are turned on. Okay, now let's create the beam or light or whatever that is. UFO does have something like that, right? With the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle. Now with the direct selection tool, select this point. Hold Shift and press the right arrow key twice. Do the same for the left side. Now I will copy it. This time I will do the opposite. I will move these 2 points inward. I will place a gap between the UFO and these two lights. I'm thinking of adding gradient here. I know for logo using gradient is not the best option, but like I said in the beginning, we're not gonna follow rules today. Instead of creating just a gradient, I will create a mask. Copy the rectangle and paste it in the mask. In mask, white shows and black hides. So if we use a white to black gradient here, we can have the beam effect, right? Set the angle to -90 degrees so that at the bottom it's transparent. Now we can do the same for the other rectangle. Okay, now that is looking good. Now let's draw the dog. Maybe I will just trace this one. But remember, select a hunter dog, not some cute puppies. I will use the pen tool and just trace it. After tracing and making some changes, it looks like this. One important note. Different positions of dog tails have different meaning. Since here it is hunting, so we need to draw something that means it's hunting. I hope I did it correctly. Also, I think I need to close the mouth. Right now it looks like it's playing with the UFO. I can fix that with the pen tool. Also, I want to add an eye. You cannot see without eyes. I didn't want to make a robotic dog. You don't want to make one alien kill another alien. I think the beam is too much for a logo. Let's try something different. Nah, I think the previous one is better. Now rotate the UFO a bit so that it looks like it's moving. Also, I need to resize the dog. Let's call it Alien Hunter. Yep, that looks good. Now if you want to change the color, you can do that. Maybe yellow or red or orange, anything you like. So this is how you can make a fun and playful logo. This logo is totally different. I didn't want to make a boring commercial logo. The objective of this tutorial was to make some fun and to show you some tricks and tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, subscribe and share this channel with your friends. And don't forget to hit the ring button so that you don't miss any new tricks, tips or tutorials. I will see you on next week. Thank you so much for watching this video.